Loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my skincare routine and I hope you guys will enjoy this and I hope it will be helpful to some of you guys. Yeah, so I'm one person who has been struggling with acne and like it was so bad. And you know, when you're someone who applies makeup and you don't really take care of your face, or you take care of it but at the same time the products that you're using are not working for you, it becomes a struggle. So I would like to say with you know, fighting acne, it's another different type of fight. So yeah, I'm gonna insert some of my previous pictures just for you guys to be able to see what is actually happening to my face. And I'm very happy because I managed to make some progress, although there's just a little bit of changes that I don't really like them. But I would like to say that this product has been so helpful for me. So if you are a returning sub, you're welcome back, honey. And if you're new here, you're welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you can become part of the notification squad. So let's get into the video. So the products that I've been using is the Gentle Magic products, and you guys, they've really worked like wonders in my face, and I'm very happy because of the results. So first of all, what I use is the Gentle Magic bar soap, like skincare soap. I use this to wash my face, and yeah, I'll also just, you know, leave a clip for you on how I actually sort of like use this thing. Yeah, I use this to wash my face. If don't feel like using the soap, or some other day I feel like exfoliating my face and also just doing the scrubbing thing, you know, because our faces has a tendency of sort of like accumulating oils. So I use this to exfoliate my face and also to scrub. It contains jojoba seeds, jojoba beads, yeah, for a more radiant skin. So this also gives you that glow, honey. So this is like the Gentle Magic skincare mask. I use it sometimes after using the soap, although sometimes I just use them interchangingly. So yeah, and also I use this Gentle Magic skincare lotion. This one is the bomb, but when you're using it, it needs you to sort of like be careful. I feel like I made a mistake to sort of like use it alone when I started, because those who know me, they will tell you to this girl sort of like gain a little bit of complexion. But I would like to believe with it, this is my skin color, because I'm one person who is not really taking care of my face. I will just leave my face to sort of like burn in the sunlight and all that, you know. Yeah, I was just dark, and I guess maybe that was not me, but I would like to believe with this really worked magic, because it removed like the dead skin on my face, and also sort of like it gave me back my real complexion. So it's important for you to sort of like, when you take care of your face on your skincare routine, you should at least have a sunscreen, okay, so that you can protect your face from the harshness of the sun. So yeah, this is the lotion that I've been using. And there is a myth about this thing, guys. Over to the number below this thing is, it tells you about how strong is it or whatever and all that. That's not the truth. The number below this thing, it just shows the strengthness of the bottle, of the bottle holding this thing. I think it speaks of density and all that. So it has nothing to do with the product coming on the face giving you a complexion or whatever and all that. That's not the truth. Okay, so another thing is, if this thing will irritate you, I think it's safer for you to sort of like discontinue using it, because I feel like that's the easiest way, and that way it will sort of like help you protect yourself from quite a lot of things. And a lot of people complain about this product burning their faces. I think if you feel like it's burning you, and since me now I feel like from all the Gentle Magic products, this is one of those that works. You can sort of like use it as 1 part water and then 1 part the product. I guess that way it won't burn you and all that. So yeah, what else am I using? And I have this skincare serum. This is a serum that sort of like you have to apply at night. So this is part of the night skincare routine, and this thing helps you sort of like gain back your complexion, and also it removes the blemishes on your face. Guys, those who know me, my friends will tell you I had this other pimples, yeah, like they were just so bad. Actually, I just had like, my acne was just so bad. So yeah, I use this on my night skincare routine. And I have this one. This is like the skincare cream. This one, you use it during the day, and it helps you control the oil and all that. But for me, since I have dry skin, I hardly use this one, so I always prefer to just use, you know, the serum instead of this one. And another thing that I've been using, if I decide to use this one, since I say like it has some mattifying effect in it, I use this Oven Care a hydrating 3-in-1 facial lotion. It cleanses, it tones, and also moisturizes your face. It's normal to dry skin. So this, I use it to sort of like hydrate my face, like, because like I've already said, like I'm one person who has dry skin, and my dry skin is just so bad, and it's bad, guys. Like my whole body is just dry. So this is what I use for my face. And I have this brush of mine. This is my favorite. I use this to scrub my face and also to exfoliate. uh I use this together with the soap, the bar soap, and also I use it with I use this with the thingy. I use this, what am I saying, I use this also with the mask. So this sort of like help me, remove the dirtiness on my face. It uses a battery, and what am I saying, it vibrates when you're using it. So this is what I've been using to sort of like exfoliate my face. And I'm just gonna insert also the prices of all the products that I have mentioned here, except for this one because it was a birthday gift and this has been so helpful. So yeah, I guess now we can get to the part of the video whereby I show you how I use everything and how I look after everything and all that. So let's get into the video. So yeah guys, now I'm just taking cold water to wet my face and take the soap and also wet it, and I'm just gonna rub it on my face and wash my face using my hands, and remove the excess soap. And after this, I'm just gonna take my facial mask and apply it on my face so that I can exfoliate my face and also to scrub, if that makes sense. And I'm using my facial brush to do that. It makes it even more simple, and also it just remove the stubbornness of other dirtiness on our faces. So yeah, and now I'm just rinsing my face until I am satisfied with cold water, and yeah, that's it. And now I'm just gonna take a dry towel to sort of like wipe the water. And guys, I feel like it is very important for you to wash your face using cold water, because warm water or hot water tends to sort of like damage your face and also like your cells and tissues and all that. So please just try by all means to wash your face using cold water, and also bring out the glow that you are looking for. So yeah. And now that I'm done, I'm gonna use a cotton to sort of like apply this Gentle Magic lotion. And apparently right now I don't have like the paired cotton ones. I have this cotton wool balls, so this is what I'm gonna use. But it's advisable for you to use like the cotton pad, because they don't come out, they sort of like remove everything, and these ones, they have a tendency of leaving some cottons on your face. So I'm just gonna use this and this to just clean up my face. And yeah, and with this I usually now, because I feel like it's making me a little bit lighter, I now usually tend to sort of like use it to target like my spots. I just target my spots and do the things that needs to be done.
So right now I'm taking cold water to wet my face, and I'm gonna take the soap also and wet it and rub it on my hands and apply it on my face,
and I use the
wash my face using my hands just to rub. Yeah. And after this,
sometimes I usually even target like
cleansing the soap, I'm just gonna take
like it's a little bit darker,
my face mask and
yeah,
apply it on the face. It's important for you to wait for 30 seconds so before you can start scrubbing it, but so I thought I couldn't wait. And now I'm scrubbing my face using my facial brush just to remove the excess dirtiness on my face. So yeah,
this is what is happening. Like, this is literally what happens.
And then use cold water to rinse everything.
This is literally what happened. This is how much my face was dirty. And yeah, I also love cleaning up around my nose, because I have these small pimples which are sort of like white blackhead likes, but they're not really blackheads. So I really love cleaning up here, because I hate those things. They're so disgusting. And also my mouth. And guys, also sometimes I don't use this product like almost every day, but this is my skincare routine. Like, yeah. So after using this, I go on and use this one. Should I use this or the other one? I said this one I know because I'm a dry skin person, so I'm gonna use this Gentle Magic Serum, and I'm just gonna dump it onto my hair, and um, I really apply quite a lot of it, and also I target my spots because that's what it does. It removes the blemishes in our faces. You have to sort of like massage this as much as possible. Guys, please excuse my other hand. I wanna film a video on how I actually achieved the set of nails, and yeah, because me I do my nails and so I did this once and I was writing. I stopped because I'm like, you know what, girl, we are wasting time. You have to study. So yeah, because that's one of the things that I do when I'm bored. I do my nails when I don't have a set on my nails. So this is what I do. So today I'm gonna film a video after this one. I guess I was just not prepared enough. I should have done my nails, and after that I sort of like film after, but I thought witty the lighting might disappear on me. Although my room has a little bit of light, it's not that bad. So yeah, this is me, and let's just hydrate my face. I'm just gonna add this one too, just to make sure which there is too much water here, guys. And I love how this product smells. It smells so good. Uh, just to top it off, I'm gonna be using this Avon Color Trend lip gloss, and just to also make sure I go to my lips are not dry. So and yes guys, that's it from me to you today, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it will be helpful to a lot of us out there. And don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to comment, to share, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. Like, subscribe. What are you waiting for, honey? Subscribe, honeys. My honeys, please subscribe. So yeah, I love you guys, and that's it. Bye.